Hi, the subject of today's vlog is going to be on mentoring. So, what is mentoring? Well, mentoring is most often defined as a professional relationship in which an experienced person, the mentor, assists another, the mentoree, in developing specific skills and knowledge that will enhance the less experienced person's professional and personal growth. So, what does a mentor do? Well, in my humble opinion, the mentor should be teaching the mentoree about a specific issue. They should be coaching the mentoree on a particular skill, facilitates the mentoree's growth by sharing resources and networks. They should be challenging the mentoree to move beyond his or her comfort zone. They should create a safe learning environment for taking risks. And again, I think they should focus on the mentoree's total development. Now, are mentoring and coaching identical? The short answer is no. People often confuse mentoring and coaching. Though they're both related, they are not the same. A mentor may coach, but a coach is not a mentor. Mentoring is relational, while coaching is functional. There are other significant differences. So, for example, if I was to list some coaching characteristics and some mentoring characteristics. So, the first one, let's have a look at some coaching characteristics. Now, what I'm about to say is not the definitive list. This is just some of the characteristics I believe, in my opinion, are extremely important. There may be others that I don't touch on, but that doesn't mean to say, because I haven't touched on them, that they're not important. They clearly are. But to keep this vlog relatively succinct, I'm going to choose ones that, in my humble opinion, are extremely important. So, first off, coaching characteristics. For example, managers coach all of their staff as a required part of the job. Coaching takes place within the confines of a formal manager-employee relationship. Coaching focuses on developing individuals within their current jobs. The interest of coaching is functional, arising out of the need to ensure that individuals can perform the tasks required to the best of their abilities. Relationships tend to be initiated and driven by an individual's manager. Relationship is finite, so it ends as an individual transfers to another job. Now, in my opinion, some mentoring characteristics. So, number one, takes place outside of a line manager-employee relationship. At the mutual consent of a mentor and the person being mentored. Is career focused or focuses on professional development that may be outside a mentoree's area of work. Relationship is personal. A mentor provides both professional and personal support. The relationship may be initiated by a mentor or created through a match initiated by the organization. Relationships crosses job boundaries. Relationships may last for a specific period of time, for example, 9 months to a year in a formal program, at which point the pair may continue in an informal mentoring relationship. Why do organizations implement formal mentoring programs? This is the $64 million question. But I've opened that door, so let's walk through it. Interest in mentoring has varied over time and has been affected by economic and social factors. Organizations recognize that workforce demographics have changed dramatically in recent years, as women and members of different minority groups have joined the workforce in greater numbers. In addition, technology has automated traditional employee functions and continues to affect on-job performance, altering the way people see themselves within the corporate structure. So, with these changes, organizations are finding it difficult to recruit and retain qualified personnel. As corporate downsizing continues, organizations are also experiencing a flattening of their organizations, challenging them to provide sufficient growth opportunities for employees. Now, on the plus side, organizations find today's employees exhibit a more flexible approach to work. On the minus side, employees may feel less loyalty to the organization for which they work. Organizations now look to mentoring to implement a strategic game plan that includes recruitment, retention, professional development, and developing a multicultural workforce. Now, does mentoring happen naturally? Absolutely. Informal mentoring occurs all the time and is a powerful experience. The problem is that informal mentoring is often accessible only to a few employees, and its benefits are only limited to those few employees who participate. Formal or structured mentoring takes mentoring to the next level and expands its usefulness and corporate value beyond that of a single mentor-mentee pairing. How are formal and informal mentoring different? Informal and formal mentoring are often confused, but they are very different in their approaches and outcomes. For example, informal mentoring. Goals of the relationship are not specified. Outcomes are not measured. Access is limited and may be exclusive. Mentors and mentorees self-select on the basis of personal chemistry. Mentoring lasts a long time, sometimes a lifetime. The organization benefits indirectly, as the focus is exclusively on the mentoree. Now, formal mentoring, goals are established from the beginning by the organization and the employee and mentoree. Outcomes are measured. Access is open to all who meet the program criteria. Mentors and mentorees are paired based on compatibility, not chemistry. Training and support in mentoring is provided. So the organization and employee both directly benefit. Now, I could go on and on and on about the complexes of mentoring, and if this is something you would like to find more information about, please let me know in the comment section below to this video if there's any content that you would like me to speak on with regards to getting a better understanding, then please put that in the comments as well. I read every single comment. I might not be able to respond to every single comment, but I do read every single comment. And the more information that you give me about the content of the videos that I'm producing, the better I can make those videos in the future. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to receiving your comments, and the next video will be coming to you very soon, so keep your eye on my YouTube channel for Infinity Learning. I also will be creating a YouTube channel, Infinity Learning España, where I'll be uploading and making content in Spanish for Spanish-speaking community. So keep an eye on that channel as well. Until the next time, thanks for watching and see you again very soon.